Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something incredibly transformative. If you've ever felt stuck, like no matter what you do, you can't seem to break free from a cycle of stagnation or even financial struggles, this video is for you. We're going to explore 5 crucial things you must eliminate from your home immediately. These items are not just clutter. They carry energy that might be holding you back from the life you truly desire. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to create a more positive, vibrant living space that supports your dreams and well-being. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with anyone who could use a bit of positive energy in their lives. Also, comment below on how open you are to receiving blessings from the universe. Let's get those words out there, attracting all the good vibes we need. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to eliminate from your home is something we all have, but rarely think about in terms of energy: clothes you no longer wear. Every piece of clothing we buy carries the energy of the moment we bought it. Think back to a time when you purchased an outfit that you absolutely loved, but now it just sits in your closet, unworn and forgotten. Why does this happen? It's because you've changed. We are constantly growing and evolving, and what once resonated with us might no longer fit our current selves, both literally and energetically. When you hold on to clothes that you no longer wear, you are essentially keeping a piece of the past that no longer aligns with who you are today. This mismatch can create a sort of energetic blockage, preventing new positive energy from flowing into your life. So take a moment to go through your wardrobe, hold each item in your hands, and thank it for the memories and experiences it brought you. This act of gratitude is powerful. It acknowledges the past while allowing you to let go and make space for the new. Donate the clothes that are still in good condition and discard those that are worn out. By doing this, you are not just cleaning out your closet, you are clearing out old energy and inviting new, vibrant experiences into your life. Clothing can carry the emotional weight of the time when it was worn. For instance, an outfit you wore during a particularly stressful job might retain some of that stress in its fibers. Similarly, clothes from a happier time can bring back fond memories, but might not be fitting for your current journey if they keep you anchored in the past. The goal is to surround yourself with items that resonate with your present and future aspirations, not those that tie you down to what once was. Moreover, the physical act of clearing out your closet is cathartic. It provides a sense of accomplishment and a physical manifestation of the internal process of letting go. When you open your wardrobe and see space, it psychologically prepares you for new opportunities, new experiences, and new growth. This simple yet profound act can be the first step toward a more fulfilling and abundant life. Next on our list are broken objects. It might be tempting to keep that chipped vase or cracked mirror, thinking you'll fix it someday. But here's the thing: broken objects carry negative vibrations. They disrupt the flow of positive energy in your home and can subtly impact your overall well-being. Your home is your temple, and it's crucial to maintain it with care and respect. Instead of holding on to broken items, thank them for the role they played in your life and let them go. This act of gratitude and release helps in removing any lingering negative energy associated with those objects. When you get rid of broken items, you'll notice an immediate difference. Your space will feel lighter, more harmonious, and welcoming. This positive shift in your environment can lead to a renewed sense of peace and clarity in your life. Regularly check your home for any broken items and address them promptly. Maintaining a clutter-free and well-maintained home creates an environment that supports your well-being and personal growth. Remember, your home reflects your state of mind, so keep it free from broken objects to enhance the positive energy in your life. Consider how you feel when you enter a room filled with broken, neglected items versus a room that is orderly and intact. Broken items can be symbolic of broken dreams, unfinished business, and a life that is not fully attended to. They serve as constant reminders of tasks left undone, potential unrealized, and efforts gone awry. By contrast, a space free of broken objects speaks to a life that is actively managed, a person who takes care of their surroundings and, by extension, themselves. Moreover, holding on to broken items often comes from a scarcity mindset, the belief that you might need them someday, or that you can't afford to replace them. Letting go of these items is an act of faith in abundance, a statement that you believe in the flow of life and that good things will come to you. It is a tangible expression of your commitment to living a life of quality and respect for yourself and your environment. Now let's talk about something you might not have considered: your shoes. This lesson comes from one of my greatest metaphysics teachers, who taught me that the journey of your life is reflected in the shoes you wear. Shoes are not just functional, they carry energy and can influence your life's path. It's essential to keep your shoes clean and in good condition. When you come home, make it a habit to clean your shoes. This simple act prevents any negative or external energy they may have picked up from entering your home, which should be your sanctuary. Worn-out and dirty shoes can create a broken path in your life, so it's best to replace them when they are beyond repair. New shoes symbolize a fresh start and a clear path forward. They support not just your physical comfort, but also your journey through life. By maintaining clean and good condition shoes, you're nurturing the journey of your life. This small daily routine brings positive energy into your home and helps you step forward with confidence and clarity. So, take a moment to clean your shoes regularly, check them for wear and tear, and replace them if needed. This simple practice ensures that your life's journey remains unhindered and positive. Shoes bear the weight of our body and carry us through our daily routines. They absorb the energy of the places we visit and the paths we tread. Dirty or worn-out shoes can bring the negative energy from the outside world into your home. Cleaning them regularly is not just about hygiene. It's about maintaining the energetic sanctity of your living space. Think about how you feel when you wear a new pair of shoes versus an old, worn-out pair. New shoes can make you feel confident, motivated, and ready to take on the world. They represent a fresh start and a new journey. On the other hand, old shoes that are beyond repair can make you feel sluggish, tired, and stuck in a rut. By investing in new shoes, you are investing in a new chapter of your life, one that is filled with positive energy and potential. Now, this next one might be a bit challenging: objects and clothes that belong to people who are no longer with you. It's natural to want to keep memories alive, but it's important to remember that memories should remain in your mind and heart. The rest is just energy tied to the past. If someone is no longer present in your life, it's essential to let them go and allow their spirit to continue its journey. Holding on to their belongings can cause emotional stagnation in your home, blocking new and positive energy from flowing in. Focus on keeping things that are part of your present life. The past is already gone. It no longer exists in the physical world. By releasing these objects, you create space for new memories and experiences that align with your current self. This doesn't mean you forget the people you've lost. It simply means you honor them by letting go and moving forward. Keeping your living space free from past energies helps maintain a fresh and vibrant environment, allowing you to thrive and welcome positive changes into your life. Many of us hold on to items from loved ones as a way to keep their memory alive. While this is understandable, it can sometimes prevent us from fully moving forward. These items can serve as anchors to the past, keeping us tethered to times and people that are no longer part of our present journey. It's essential to differentiate between cherishing memories and being weighed down by them. Releasing these items is not an act of forgetting, but an act of freeing yourself and those who have passed on. It's a way of saying, I cherish the memories, but I am ready to embrace my present and future. This process can be emotional, but it is also incredibly liberating. It allows you to make space for new memories and experiences that are in alignment with your current life path. Finally, let's talk about clutter. Clutter is a major energy blocker. The energy in your house must flow freely, and the lighter your environment is, the more energy will circulate. Try to keep your house organized and open the windows to let air and sunlight in. Avoid leaving things in the way and try to perfume your house with beautiful plants that bring joy to your heart. Making your bed every morning and thanking it for providing you with rest is also a great practice. Remember, everything around you is energy. By keeping your house as harmonious as possible, you are setting the stage for positive energy to flow freely. It's not about luxury, but about energy in motion. When you start applying these 5 points, eliminating clothes you no longer wear, broken objects, worn-out shoes, items belonging to those who have passed, and clutter, you will feel a significant change. You will feel lighter and see how situations in your life start to resolve. Let the energy flow and your life will improve completely. One of the greatest metaphysics teachers once told me, if you want your present to be wonderful, your past must die. Clean your house and eliminate all that negative energy that no longer resonates with you. Soon, you will see miracles happen. As we conclude this video, remember that the state of our home greatly impacts our energy and overall well-being. It's incredible how simple changes in our surroundings can have a profound effect on our lives. By getting rid of things like clothes you no longer wear, broken objects, and items associated with loved ones who have passed away, we create space for positive energy to flow freely. This reminds us that everything around us carries energy. It's like a dance between our environment and our own energy. When we consciously choose to surround ourselves with things that align with our present selves, we open the doors for incredible transformations. We reinforce the power of gratitude as we say goodbye to our belongings, honoring the role they played in our lives and embracing the new chapter that awaits us. Additionally, eliminating clutter and creating space for things we truly love and resonate with helps create a harmonious and vibrant living space. It's not about perfection or expensive decoration, but about infusing our home with positive vibrations, whether it's by opening windows to let in fresh air and sunlight, adding beautiful plants, or simply keeping everything organized. These small but impactful steps invite miracles into our lives. It's like a domino effect. As we align our physical environment with our energy, we begin to experience positive changes and a sense of lightness. It's an exciting journey of self-discovery and intentional living. Therefore, I encourage you to take action and embark on this journey of creating a space that nurtures your spirit and fuels your progress. See how these changes reflect in other areas of your life. Remember, your home is your sanctuary, and by harmonizing its energy, you are setting the stage for amazing things to happen. Our homes are extensions of our inner world. They reflect our state of mind, our beliefs, and our attitudes toward life. By making conscious choices about what we keep and what we let go of, we are essentially shaping the energy that surrounds us. This process is not about materialism or minimalism. It's about creating a space that truly supports our highest good and our deepest desires. Imagine waking up every day in a home that feels light, fresh, and filled with positive energy. a home where every item has a purpose and resonates with your current self. This kind of environment not only boosts your mood and well-being, but also supports your goals and aspirations. It becomes a place where you can recharge, dream, and manifest the life you want. By letting go of the old and making space for the new, you are inviting abundance, joy, and harmony into your life. You are telling the universe that you are ready for new opportunities, new experiences, and new blessings. This act of clearing out and cleaning up is a powerful statement of your intention to live a life of purpose and fulfillment. As you begin this journey, remember to be kind to yourself. Change takes time, and it's okay to move at your own pace. Celebrate each step you take and notice how it makes you feel. Pay attention to the shifts in your energy and the changes in your surroundings. You'll be amazed at how these small, mindful actions can create a ripple effect, leading to profound transformations in all areas of your life. So, take a deep breath and start with one small step. Maybe it's going through your closet, or perhaps it's tackling that drawer full of old, broken gadgets. Whatever it is, know that you are not just cleaning up your space. You are opening the door to a brighter, more vibrant future. If you enjoyed the information I shared, leave a comment, like the video, and if you're new here, subscribe to the channel for more insights on Buddhist philosophy and living a harmonious life. Until the next video, may you always be blessed. Thank you very much.